how's it going? My name's Ciara and this is Color Me Beautiful. And on this channel we like to do art videos and makeup videos like this one. So if you're coming over from my last video, then you're in luck because we're doing the next makeup look. And if this is your first time watching, then welcome. But let's get on to this Snapchat inspired makeup look. Let's go. So same as last time, I started off with half of my face already done. And I forgot blush and went straight to the lips. Okay. So this was probably one of my favorite looks to do. I love Snapchat, I love the filters, and this was really fun. Comment down below on the next look that you want to see me do. And make sure to like this video if you liked it, and if you really liked it, make sure to subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Love.